For love. And out. 2-7.
He's sending a psychological message. That was a great shot from Pilley, but Matthew is looking to quash any type of confidence this Australian. There she is. There's Keely Johnson.
Not happy
trying to hide. Trying to hide. I hope her brother saw that. I doubt he did, even on his 86-inch screen back in New York.
Definitely opposite to PJ, but PJ would have been milking that, wouldn't he?
Well, he wouldn't have been able to see the camera was on him. He'd have just been staring into space. But no, it's great that she's come to watch. She loves the squash, obviously. What a quarterfinals to come to as well, Drew Boyd. Awesome width.
Right box, please. 10-3, game ball.
Inch perfect from Nick Matthew. Immaculate squash.
10, game ball. (11-4), game to Matthew. Matthew leads 1 game to love. Down. (4-2).
That's a great shot.
Is a beautiful shot from Cameron Pilley. You can't get more skillful than this. Open racket face, he gets so low.
Right box, yes.
The actual racket, you hear it on the floor, rolls it into the net. Quality from the tall Australian, and what a second game we've got as we hit.
Be amazing if Matthew managed to win the whole game without hitting a single winner. Wouldn't it? If he won it on strokes and errors. Oh, there you go. There is a winner for Matthew.
Clever shot, just squeezing it on the sideball. Knew exactly what he was about. Unbelievable gets here from Cameron Pilley, somebody that's 6'4" in height. Oh, he's made the unforced error, and Matthew clinches his fist, manages to miss the racket of Cameron Pilley, which could have taken some of his hair off. What a crucial second game. Matthew's reaction says it all for me.
Wow, somehow Pilley scrambling to stay in this rally.
Out.
Two perfect shots from Matthew, and Pilley couldn't survive.
Yeah. Mr. Pilley has a broken racket and he has the right to change the equipment.
So Cameron Pilley just going off to change his racket.
Ken.
Oh, Matthew using everything in his repertoire to keep in this rally.
Wow, sharp work from Nick Matthew.
Bread and butter.
Trademark Nick Matthew.
Bread and butter for the Wolf, and the trademark snarl as well. So Nick Matthew
3 games to love.
manages to take down another Australian. He's been relentless in this tournament. Ryan Kiskelly dispatched 3-love in the first round. Now Cameron Pilley, the very dangerous 34-year-old, But Matthew looking fantastic at 36.5 years of age. 54 minutes. Matthew overcoming Pilley. 11-4, 11-9, 11-8. 3 games to love.